Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create your account on the Yubo app. Now if you want to create your account on the Yubo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Yubo app on a device. So if you have not installed and don't know where to install it from, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Yubo app. So this is the landing page of Yubo where you'll see the option of continue with Apple, or if you are already a member you'll see the option of login. So click on the option of continue with Apple and click on the option of continue again, and from here you just need to verify your Face ID, and after verifying your Face ID it says create a new account. So click on the option of create new account and you just need to add your nickname. So I'll simply add a nickname and click on the option of arrow like icon at the very bottom right, and from here you just need to select your birth date. So select the birth date and click on the option of arrow again and select the gender like this. Create a username and make sure that your username includes letter, number and underscore. So simply create a username like this and click on the option of arrow like icon, and you may also add a face pic. So click on the option of plus icon and you may also select the photo from gallery, video from gallery, or you may also take a selfie. So click on the plus icon and click on the option of use photo. So after doing all of it you may simply click on the option of arrow like icon again at the very bottom, and you may simply skip this step. So you just need to accept the community guidelines, and that's it. That's how you can create your account on the Yubo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.